So hello everyone, welcome to cyberzypher, and in this video we're gonna see how to install Kali Linux in VMware. I'm in Ubuntu, but you can use Windows 10 also, but make sure that you have VMware. First you have to download the ISO file of Kali Linux. I'll give the link for the downloading page where you can download Kali Linux directly. Click download and download Kali Linux, and when you scroll down you can see there are so many options. You have the 64-bit installer and the net installer, live 32-bit installer. I recommend the 64-bit installer because it has more tools and more options to install rather than installing, and also you can have the virtualization images. And okay, I'll click the 64-bit installer. If you have internet connection, and you can just click net installer. I'm clicking the 64-bit. Okay, good. And after the installation completes, just open VMware, click create a new virtual machine. Typical is okay, click next, and now click browse. Now locate the ISO file where you downloaded that. So have it, click open, and you have an error called as could not detect which operating system. That's okay, we'll fix it later. Click next and click Linux. Version will be Debian 10 64-bit, and name it as Kali Linux. Now browse your respected folder where you would like to install the virtual machine. Click open and we're done. So next, now click store virtual disk in a single file, and let's just make it as 60 gigs of disk size because we're going to install a big operating system. Next, finish, and now it will open. So click graphical install, okay, because we're not gonna install it using terminal. Click graphical install. It's okay. If you load for some time, you may get some invalid argument errors. That's okay. And from here, English is okay. If you want, you can customize. Continue. I'm in India, so India, and continue. And it will automatically detect the keyboard. Continue. Okay, so in the host name you can customize it whether you want, but I'll leave it as Kali, and you can just enter your domain name, but I don't have a domain, so continue. And you can enter your full name, your original full name, or the name that you like to use in this operating system, and you can customize it, but remember your username because it is more important. Continue and type your password, and this will be your sudo and root password. So it will also be your user password, so please remember that. And now okay, it's partitioning the disk, so let's wait. And you have several options. Just click guided use entire disk, okay, because we're going to install it, we're going to single boot it. So continue, and okay, continue. all files in one partition. That's good. Continue and finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Continue, click yes and continue, and it will install the base system. So let's wait. After installing the base system, you'll get this screen. Just don't change it, don't change any settings, don't uncheck or check anything. Just click continue and that's it, and this will install the all necessary softwares that you require in your new Kali Linux system. And when you get this screen, just click continue, click dev sda /dev/sda and click continue. This will install the grub bootloader for your new Kali Linux system. So the installation has completed, and just click continue. This will reboot the system, and after that you'll boot into your new system. And you can notice that there is only two options, Kali Linux and advanced options for Kali Linux. Click Kali Linux and now it is booting. So it's here. Don't just worry about the resolution. Enter your username. Let's keep it in the full screen mode. Okay, and enter your username that you entered last time and your password and login. So it's here, your new Kali Linux system with the fresh installation of Kali Linux. You can see that the terminal, everything is working good, and it is so much smoother, lighter, and it is so good. And for changing the resolution, just click the menu and type settings. Click settings manager, and from here click the display. You can see the resolution and choose your resolution, choose your respective resolution. My resolution is 1360. okay, this is my resolution, and okay, we're done, and close that. And yeah, it's here, guys. I really hope that you learned something new in this video and enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and I even do also started a Patreon page. Follow me and become as a patron. My Patreon page, follow me in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, that's it. Bye.